Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to restrict comments on Instagram post. You make a post on your Instagram and you have a certain post that you've reached and you don't want anybody to comment on that post anymore, and they have reached the level you want them to do. You want to restrict more comments. How do you do that? Now what you need to do is open your Instagram. When you open your Instagram, now come to your profile picture here. The next thing is click on the story. Once you click on the story like this, oh, it has have enough comments that you want. You don't want any other person to comment. Maybe you want to do volunteer, you want to do you want to give people money, you want to dash out money, and you want to pick a certain people, maybe the first 10 commenters, the 10 commenters, and you have reached the people you want to pick. Now you want to stop others from commenting. Now what you need to do is just once you tap on it, click on this three line dot. Once you click on this three line dot, just come here and click on turn off comments. Let me show you. Just click on turn off comments, and nobody will be able to comment again on that post. That's it. So if you want to turn it on back, just go to the same process and click on turn on. So it's very simple and easy. So guys, if this really helps you, please subscribe and like. It helps a lot. Thank you guys.